Hey guys. Okay, so we are back today with the Prism Makeup Fantasy Palette because you cannot judge a palette by doing one look with it. But in yesterday's video, I used the silver, the black, the white, and one of the blues. And I was very, very impressed. I mean, you wouldn't expect a palette from Amazon for $9 to be this good, but it was that good. So we will be trying another combo today. And I think what I am going to do, and I already have on a bunch of products, and everything will be listed in the description box as always. And not to be repetitive or a broken record or anything, but this is the same lipstick that I wore in yesterday's video because I am crazy about it. It is the Wet n Wild Lip Balm Stain from the Scooby collection in the shade Cupcakes. I just think this is the most gorgeous, I'll call it a lipstick, okay? I love it. Okay, so let's start. I'm going to do something. I'm going to do like an everyday wearable look. Yeah, let's do this copper shade. That's really pretty. I'm going to put that all over my lid. I already primed my lids with my MAC Painterly Paint Pot. This is a gorgeous copper. Pigmentation is good, the blending is good. And I'm just packing it on the lid, making sure that I get all the areas. Sometimes I think we have a tendency to not go all the way down into the lash line or into the corner. All right, let's switch brushes. Whoa, knocking things over here. Don't do that. Gonna move this over so everything doesn't end up on the floor. Okay, this is a really pretty peachy brown color, we'll say. I'm gonna take this crease brush. They call it a smoky eye brush. And I'm gonna put that in the crease. I think that'll go very nicely with the copper. Yeah, this shade complements this copper really nicely. Very pretty. Okay, now let's take this. What do they call this one? This is actually a lip brush, but it's going to work for what I want to use it for. And I'm going to go into this warm brown shade. And I'm going to drag some of that along my lower lash line. Yeah, this actually works really good for this. If you have multiple lip brushes and you want to use one for this, it works good. Okay, now I'm going to switch back to that crease brush, and I'm just going to dip that into that same color that I just used and go right in the outer part of this look here, on the lid and in the crease. Give it some depth and dimension. Oh, I like these colors. Okay, now for a highlight shade today, I'm going to switch to this AOA Studio E132 brush, and we are going into this, it's actually a gold, but it's coming off on camera as white, but it's a very, very light gold. So I'm just dipping my brush in there, and I'm going to dust this on as my brow bone highlight and inner corner. All right, that's pretty. Okay. Now, yesterday, I was looking at the NYX retractable eyeliners at Target, and I remembered that I used to like this eyeliner a long time ago, so I picked up the black one. And I'm going to use that right now on my waterline. So let's see if this is good as I remember it. I've been doing light waterlines lately, so it's good to switch it up and do different things. Okay. A brown eyeliner would have looked nice with these colors, but you can't go wrong with black. I mean, it just goes with everything. So I'm going to do the other eye off camera and curl my lashes, put my mascara on, and we will talk about this palette for a minute. All right, so I am back, and I am so impressed with this. I can't believe this was only $9. The only thing that I feel like is missing in here is maybe some cool tone browns would have been nice, but I understand that what they're doing is they're copying the Morphe James Charles palette, and that one, I guess that one didn't have any cool tone browns in it. So because it's a dupe type situation, they had to work with what they were trying to do. But yeah, this is very good quality. It is a nice color assortment. You can do a lot of different things with this. Everything blended and applied really easily and nicely. And to me, the mark of a good palette is quality and versatility. And this has got both. So I would say $9 well spent. And now I won't have to miss that other palette anymore because I did really like that palette. So now I have a dupe for it, and very easy to get on Amazon. And I don't know what else there is to say about this. Thank you for watching and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.